am hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy,
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.
Welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. And today we have a banger daily market news analysis. So without any further ado, let's bring the action. All right, I'm going to try, hopefully, let me know if I'm echoing on either YouTube or TikTok. I'm trying to fix something right now. We should be good. Play some music. Looks like we're good. We're good. I think we're good on TikTok. All right, cool. Because I was hearing an echo. I just want to make sure you guys didn't hear an echo. Morning, Ski. What up, Jeff Cox? It's your boy, Ski. All right, guys. I got a banger for you today, for real. So let's get into it. You guys are getting some. You guys are going to get a little sneak peek on what it looks like over on the Patreon. So I already had this lesson for the Patreon. I'm not going to give the full lesson like I did on the Patreon, but I'm going to give you guys a little sneak peek to what it looks like over there. Just to let you know that your boy Ski is bringing the heat. All good. Ski Sensei. Hello, bro. How are you? I'm doing well. So, H bar prime time with Kyle. Sup? All right, so was the music too loud? You guys hear me good? All right, so this is a paradox. This is on the top. I have the Wyckoff accumulation lesson that I went over on my Patreon. All right, and then on the bottom, this is for Bitcoin. On the bottom, we have H bar. Well, we have H bar. Okay. This is H bar measured in market cap, however, not in price, because I think it's very important moving forward to measure H bar in the market cap because of the supply funkiness. All right. So this is Bitcoin from 2014 through 2016. This is a full Wyckoff accumulation schematic. This is how I taught this over there on the Patreon. I have a full lesson on this, but this is what it looked like. Okay, so you have phase A, phase B, phase C, and after your phase C, you get into your sign of strength. All right, this is going to be a good one, y'all. So you might want to get a pen and paper, take some notes, buckle up, buckaroo. Sauce going up. Yeah, Sauce is going to trade with H bar. They are tied together. Except Sauce's supply is not wonky like H bar's. Alright, so we're just going to go over Bitcoin, and then I'm going to show you, I'm going to present the case that, let me scoot this over a smidgen. And we'll scoot this over a smidgen. I'm going to present the case that full Wyckoff accumulation could have been completed or working on being completed for H bar. All right. Morning, bro. Charge particles. INX, please. We'll get into the coins after this. All right. So in phase A, you have your preliminary support. You have your selling climax, your automatic rally, and your secondary test. All that's really ever going on with Wyckoff is this right here. You have supply and demand. Let me zoom in on this real quick. Oh. That's not good. All right, all that's really going on is right here. You have your supply and demand. It's like the yin yang of the market, and it's constantly trying to find balance. So you have Wyckoff accumulation is the end of a bear market. Wyckoff distribution is the end of a bull market. You have your markup and your markdown. Your bull run, your bear markets. Okay? It goes in a constant loop trying to find balance, yin yang of the market. All right? Sneak peek, guys. This is what it's looking like over there. So you have your preliminary support. This is after a big pull down. You have one little pull back up. That's your last little bit of support. Followed by your selling climax, aka like a bottom. Sometimes this is the bottom, sometimes not. Sometimes it goes lower in the spring. Okay, but locally in the medium term, this is the bottom. After you have your bottom, you have an automatic rally. An automatic rally is like the ball bounces, it drops to the bottom, and then boom. All right, we'll draw this real quick so you can see. So this is an automatic rally. Crashing down, hits the floor, bounces up. That's an automatic rally. That's going to happen if something is completely dead. That will happen. Okay? Then you have your secondary test. You're seeing, is there supply down here? Then you test it again. This phase B is the full secondary test. You have your spring. This doesn't always happen. Sometimes there's a spring, sometimes there's not. Your last point of support, followed by your sign of strength, your buy up, and your last point of support again. So this point right here, you're just back testing the prior trading range. So now time will tell where we are truly. Time will tell where we are truly. But it appears like Wyckoff accumulation has been completed, and especially when you measure time, which I don't love to do, but this full thing for Bitcoin back here from 2014 through 2016, let's just go to the SOS, was 300 days, 308 days. All right, H-bar has been hanging out at this range for 479 days. So time is a check mark. More than ample time has been passed for Wyckoff accumulation to be completed for H-bar. Okay, so that's check number one. So this could be the preliminary support right here, the last point of support, followed by the selling climax. So we're just going to mark this out. We'll do PS, SC, and then this would be your automatic rally, or this could be your automatic rally. Followed by the secondary test down here. Secondary test, secondary test. A secondary test is just testing this climax. Is there more supply? It's supply and demand. Is there more supply down here to grab for the market makers, for the big players? Is there more to get down there? No? Okay. Typically you have a couple tests to the upside, as you can see here, tests and a test. So you have your test. Maybe this is the test and this is the test. We don't know. But these two could be it right here. I would imagine, with the amount of time that's passed, that this is your test, this is your test, this is your test, this is your test. All right? So that is your phase B. And then we're moving along. This is likely the spring, followed by the last point of support, followed by perhaps what looks to be a sign of strength. And if this holds true, time will tell, because this could all just be right here. We could be looking at it. I don't think so, but this is what we could be looking at right here. That's where we could be, but I think it is more like so. Time will tell, though. Let me erase this. This looks crazy. This looks crazy. Time will tell. But if this is the sign of strength right here, we would be looking to get at a minimum in the medium term we'd be looking to get at the $3.25 billion market cap, which would be another 43% to the upside. Now, so if we look at, let's go back to just this one. Let's go back to H bar. All right. So I think in the medium term, we're looking at a sign of strength to test the 382 here on the market cap. On the market cap. On the market cap. Because if you look at the price isn't even anywhere near the 236. This red line is the same as this yellow line. And you'll notice the price and the market cap are completely different. They are not telling the same story. So I'm measuring off of market cap. And assuming, and this is where I'll be taking profits as well, whatever the market cap is doing, not the price. This is the price chart. This is the market cap chart for H-bar. They don't even look the same. As you'll see, one more time, I'm going to zoom out. This is way more beaten down than the supply, or the market cap, excuse me. Okay. So, the next, if this is the sign of strength, we'd be looking to test at least above this level at 2.6 billion. Probably going to test into the 3 billion. 3 billion is a nice even number. And that's, you're looking at about, call it 30 to 45% to the upside is what you'd be looking at. Now, on price, let's see what that would do, assuming they don't dump any more supply. That's a big assume because they've been dumping more supply every time. See, that still wouldn't even get you to the 236. But another 40% to the upside would get you to the 9.7 cent range. Okay? Big picture for H-bar. 702 would be a retracement. That would bring you to 5.2 billion. Or a 1.28x, or as high as a 9x at 23.4 billion. Now, this is assuming that they don't dump any more supply on the market. They, as in the Hedera Foundation, assuming, which that's a big assume because that's all they've been doing is dumping supply on the market, which is why the price does not reflect the market cap as much. Assuming, though, that the supply stays the same, the maximum retracement, I said 1.28x, that would put you at about 15 cents. Assuming that they do not dump more supply. If they dump more supply, then the bets are off for the price, which is why I will strictly be looking at the market cap. And then the 9x from current price would put you at about 69 cents. It could maybe get to the 1618. But that would be a 12x, which would be about 88 cents. Max. Okay, for this particular bull run. Big picture, I'm still extremely bullish on HBAR. I still love the project. Just price and project are not the same. Price and development are not the same. Just look at Dogecoin. Just look at Shiba. Look at any meme coin. Look at Bob. Look at Pepe. Price does not equal the validity of the project. And the validity of the project doesn't always equal price. In the big picture, decades, I think it does. But in the micro, I don't think it does. Aaron says, would you buy more now or wait? I am currently just dollar cost averaging. I'm not buying anything. I'm actually looking to take profit at some point. Morning, your boy Ski. Can you do X Fun? I got you. Can you look at OXO coin? It's the AI coin. Can you do RVF? Yeah, we'll get into your guys' coins. So, for me though, I'll be looking to take. We'll see what this does right here. It wouldn't be weird to get rejected at this 236 at 2.38 billion. Would not be weird. But if we get up to the 382, I'll be taking a little bit of profit, and that would be at 3.27 billion, assuming no more supply is dumped on the market. Assuming no more supply is dumped onto the market. Assuming no more supply is dumped onto the market, because that's all that they've been doing, which is why the price chart looks so different from the market cap. You see that? This is the same chart. Let me just put it right here so you can really see what I'm talking about. This is the same coin. Okay, this red line is this yellow line. They are the same. This yellow line is the same as this red line. We're poking through it on the market cap, but we're nowhere near it on the price. And that's because the HBAR, the Hedera Foundation, has put a bunch of supply onto the market. So I will be measuring HBAR in market cap. Still very bullish, and like I said earlier in the stream, it looks like the sign of strength, which we would be looking at $3.2 billion market cap for that, which is about another 30 to 40% to the upside. Another 30 to 40% to the upside. Real quick, I gotta take a leak. All right, of course, lost my camera. In the meantime, no worries. But yeah, so that's just giving you guys, the ones that stuck around through my little potty break there. That gives you kind of a sneak peek of what kind of information I'm putting out on my Patreon. So that full course is available over there for the price of a cup of coffee per week. You can learn how to do that. But yeah, so realistic price for HBAR that I'm looking for is going to be somewhere between the 15 cents as high as 88 cents. Really, I'm going to be looking for 15 to 35 cents is kind of where I think it's going to go in this particular bull run. So let's get into the news, and then we'll get into your guys' coins. So of course, this all the all of the H bar. This is the narrative that is pumping H bar, is that the technology was used on the Fed Now payments, which we've been knowing this. We've been knowing this, that these coins are tied with the government. Okay, so like XRP, XLM, XDC, H bar, all these coins are the winners. Okay, I've been saying that for, over a year. Forget H bar, get Sauce instead. Sauce has more a 5x from here, like maybe a 9x, maybe a 10x at most. This bull run. But big picture, like H bar's here. H bar is going to be here for decades. So they've dumped more supply on the market than they're supposed to. Maybe they pull some supply back. Maybe they don't dump supply when they're supposed to in the future. We'll see. But as of right now, I will only strictly be measuring H bar in market cap, not in price. This is more the truth rather than this. All right. Just in, Europe launches the first Bitcoin ETF. This is like, this is massive news right here. And more are going to follow. I had a buddy, he's real big in the charts as well. He just texted me that he's been deep in the charts, and he said it looks like the bull run is going to start before the halving, which would be crazy, but it would also look similarly to how I've laid out that Bitcoin is looking more like the 2015 iteration. I said 2015. 2013 bull run, 2014 bear market, 2015 through 2016 retracement. But when we got the retracement to the 618, like 618 is a constant. That's where it goes, 618. But we just kind of marched along straight into the bull market. We didn't really come back down that too far. And that's sort of my thoughts on what I think we're going to be doing as well. Originally, I had the thesis that I thought we were going to be doing more of the 2017 run, which is right here, 2017 bull run, 2018 bear market, 2019 retracement to the 618. Yet again, 618 here in 2016, 618 here in 2019. They both hit the 618. The difference is this one came way back down to the 116 before then going to the bull run, where this one just kind of marched along into the bull run. I think that this is more along the lines of what we're doing, just marching along. European ETFs mean nothing. Any USA owns are being denied and pushed back. Denied and pushed back are not the same. That's weird because Grayscale is supposed to get a decision perhaps as soon as tomorrow. Bloomberg analyst estimates the next decision deadline for Grayscale's conversion spot Bitcoin ETF could be tomorrow. And again, my whole thesis on my channel, I'm just reporting the news. I do not think that the news moves the markets. News will show up when things need to happen. They show up when certain things need to happen. He says cap. That's not cap. How did I know? How did I have video evidence? Video evidence back in this moment I was calling for November 8th to be the bottom. How did I know that? How did I know that this would be the bottom? How did I know that there was going to be a climactic event? Video evidence that this would be a climactic event. I didn't know what the event was going to be because the event is irrelevant. I just knew that there would be an event because news will show up when certain things need to happen in the charts. You show me the charts, I will tell you the news. Video evidence, documented. Documented. This isn't me in hindsight. No. 6 months in advance, I called the bottom on the day. Every single crypto creator outside of me in this moment right in here was all screaming 12K or 10K for Bitcoin. Outside of me, I am not aware of any creator that called 15K. New moon tomorrow. That's right. She knows what's up. So what's going to happen next? It appears like we're doing the same structure as 2016. The next big move is going to be to the 618. As you see right here, we hit the 618. This is where we're at right now. Let me put this on double. All right, so this is the 2013 bull run, 2014 bear market, 2015-16 retracement, 2017 bull run. Okay? Just to paint a picture of what I'm looking at. All right, let me pull this on our current slide right here. All right, so you have your bull run, your bear market, your bear market. You have your depths of despair, same thing. Now, what we'll notice after we broke out of this depths of despair, this little U right here, or a W, Wyckoff accumulation, it's all the same. Wyckoff. It's all the same. So from the time that we broke out of this depths of despair, like so, right in here, we spent over 200 days hanging out at the 236. 205 days. All right, so that would bring you to October before going to the 618. The 618 is 47,000. Now, my original thesis was more along the 2017 bull run, but they both go to the 618. Bitcoin very much respects the 618 and the 3618. So you'll see 2017 bull run, 2018 bear market, 2019 retracement to the 618. Came all the way back down, your spring C19. This is what they call a spring in Wyckoff. Regular people call this C19. The pandemic. This is a spring in Wyckoff. How were people able to predict that there would be a crash in the stock market? How could you predict C19? This is the spring. This happens over and 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 over in every single asset. Not just crypto, not just the stock markets, not just commodities, not just real estate. Wyckoff accumulation and springs happen over and over and over again. Followed by your bull run. And what you'll see is, looky here, from 2017 bull run to the 2021 bull run, you'll notice 3618. There are certain assets that respect certain levels. All right, let's get into your guys' let's get into your guys' coins. We got like 30 minutes. Well, I got 20 minutes. I'm setting a timer. 20 minutes. We'll do as many coins as possible. $1.15 H-bar schedule unlock August 30. That's interesting. Because, like, if we get rejected for H-bar, we're going to be looking to get back to the almost $1 billion level. Maybe like $1.5 billion level if we get rejected here. All right. That is very interesting, Josh. All right. Yeah, new moons, I'm looking to take profits. Full moons, I'm looking to buy. That's it. There you go. Looking for opportunities to arise. Opportunities to arise. So we'll start with IONX X Fund. When the opportunities come knocking. OXO or 0. I think it's 0, right? I always forget. Good Morgan. Good Morgan. Paradox. Are we in disbelief? It's a hated rally. Feet. FET. Treyas. Bitrock. XDC. How long will H-bar pump? If we get above the 236, you missed it. I did a really good can you do quick crypto? KSM? What is the ticker for quick crypto? Naka. ETH. Good one. So just a quick recap. If you want to watch the full like lesson that I did, it's on YouTube for knowledge. But we're at the 236 right now. That's a common place to get rejected. If not, be looking to get to 3.26 billion market cap, which is how I'm measuring H-bar. Assuming no more H-bar gets released, that would be about 9 cents. But according to Josh on YouTube, 1.15 billion is scheduled to unlock on August 31st. So it might not even get that high. But I'll be looking at the market cap. This is a common place to get rejected. Beyond that, you're looking at 3.25 billion. ADA. What's your prediction for XLM? Got you. XLM is It's $3.11. This is the parabolic. All right, let's get into your guys' coins. I'm gonna crank these out. We got 20 minutes. Not even. We now have 16 minutes. All right. IONX. If somebody misses them, just tell them what it was. I don't think I can do this one. Hey, thank you for the follow, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, retracement is 8 cents. Parabolic level, 36 cents for IONX. Spell. X Fund. Can't do X Fund. If you said X Fund, give me a different one, please. All right, 0x0. There we go. What's this one? Make sure you guys are spamming that like button, hitting that share. Christine, thank you for the rose, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
Jasmine. And Audius. So this thing already pretty much came to the 0.5, which is the retracement. It's just hanging out at the 382 right now at 4 cents. So the retracement, the full retracement would be 4.5 cents. And parabolic level still looking at 17 cents. This thing hasn't had a proper bull run, so it could go a lot higher, but that's all you can base it off of right now. But even so, even if it were to like continue like going way higher, it would come back. It would have a pullback, and that's where it would likely get rejected. Paradox. I don't think I can do that one. FET followed by Trias. All three of y'all. All three of y'all. Just hanging out at the automatic rally. So this is like a breakout and a back test. This could be like a sign of strength for fetch, followed by the yeah, this looks good right here. This is like you'd be looking to just march along. Maximum retracement is 86 cents. Parabolic level for feet is $4.19. Call it 420 blazing, bruh. Trias. All Trias, y'all. Alright, so we were in a huge like upward parallel channel here, and we're breaking down, which is fine. Nothing goes up in a straight line. Let's see here. This would be like a point of support here. Big level. You want that to hold. $2.45 for downside. Upside. Retracement would be $12. Parabolic level, $59. This is, oh, I love Dirk. You skipped RVF. My bad, brother. Downside for quant, like 100. There's a huge level of support at 100. The worst case, I see like $70 for quant. I only know just because like I stay looking at quant's charts, because quant's in my top 3. Quant is one of my bigger holdings. RVF. Bro, what's your thoughts on the new XRP20 and Bitcoin 20 coins? I haven't given them any thought. So this is just like, I can't give you a chart off of this, bro. This is just like parabolic. I think you'd be looking for a pullback at some point. Probably to 23 cents. This is like a gap here. It wouldn't be weird to like fill this out all the way down to the 17 cents. This could keep running though. Like this hasn't had, there's no like real chart data on this one for RVF. Your top 3 is Bitcoin, ETH, Quant. I have a top 4: Bitcoin, ETH, Quant, XRP. I would probably bump out ETH if I had to pick though 3. But they're basically even. It's like an even split for me. Quick swaps on the list. Cheers, bro. Cheers. Good Morgan. XDC. Did I do BitRock? No, I did BitRock. BitRock, then XDC. Yeah, I can't do BitRock. There's no chart for BitRock. All right, XDC. I'm working on a video for XDC right now. Do you see XRP going under 60 cents? It's possible. If it does, though, it's gonna go to like 50 cents. But I think that XRP is, we've already had our breakout and our sign of support, so it's more looking to the upside. But it wouldn't be weird to fill that gap out. But that would be down to 50 cents if that were to happen. If it goes below 60, it's going to go to 50. All right. So XCC, clean breakout here. This is great. Back test to the 236. As long as this finds support here, you love to see it. All right. So this is a great place to reaccumulate at 6 cents. Next target to the upside, you'll be looking at the 0.5 at 10 cents, and parabolic level for XDC is 66 cents. I'm working on a video for XDC and transferring to like my top 3 are Bitcoin, Quant, and Sauce. That's a solid list. You got like 2 like big hitters and then your micro cap for upside potential. Jasmy, XLM and Jasmy are on the list. Cub Coin. All right, we got to keep going. Do you think Quant will go back to 70, 80? It's possible, but I don't think so. That's where my downside target would be. There's a measured move that would put you about 77 cents, but it's also to the upside too at about 175. So it's either going to boom or bust to one of those. But I'm more biased towards 175. For me personally, anything at or about $100 or below is a great deal. KSM. Automatic rally is 77. Retracement is 320. Parabolic level is 1500. Naka. What a great name. Oh yeah, this one looks good. This is like clean Wyckoff accumulation here. Get your sign of support. Back testing on this right here at 35 cents wouldn't be weird for the downside. Upside, the automatic rally is 65 cents. Retracement, $3.40. Parabolic level for Naka, $18 hairs. Store. think it's storage with a J, right? Yeah. And then we got ETH after that. Wicked up all the way to the automatic rally. Wicked above it, but came all the way back. Damn. Retracement for this thing, 172. $1.72, and parabolic level is $8.12 for storage. ETH, ADA, XLM, quick swap, spell. ETH is top 4 for me. I don't like the creator, but I know that it's here. Like that's my thing. Is like I don't care. Like I'm just trying to make profit. So I don't love how he's treated the miners or any of that stuff. But I'm here to have, you know, generational wealth. Retracement for ETH is 2,800. As high as 3,600, that's going to be your retracement. And your parabolic level is 15,000. Realistically, 7,000 to 15,000 is the parabolic level for ETH. ADA, XLM, quick swap, spell. I'm trying to crank these out, guys, because I'm limited for time. Thoughts on AMP? I don't have any thoughts on AMP. I know a lot of people like the AMP. I don't hold any AMP. That doesn't mean it's not good. It just means that I don't hold it. Why is this not my chart? Retracement for ADA is 163. Parabolic level is $7.69. XLM. Sauce V2 is going to make Sauce one of the best buys in the bull. Yeah, no, I love Sauce. Sauce has been one of my top low market caps for a long time. Like I was making videos about Sauce like over a year ago. So this XLM already hit the automatic rally. It looks like it's going to backtest this prior trading range here at about 13 cents. Retracement for XLM is 48 cents, and the parabolic level is $3.11 for XLM. XLM is a strong one. Quick swap. Oh, this is I used to get rewards in this thing for like liquidity mining. All right, so we already hit the automatic rally. Retracement is $436. Parabolic level 2,100. Do you think VRA will go back to its all-time high next bull run? Yeah, I think VRA is a strong one. It's a fundamental coin. I would lean, you know, every coin I would give no more than 50% chance, but I would put VRA up there on the higher end of a likelihood. I like VRA. VRA is in my top 10. So spell. Why XLM price so low when it has 50 billion supply? XRP has 100 billion. I like XRP and I like XLM. XLM is still in the lawsuit. XRP is already out of the lawsuit. Okay, so that's one of the main. So like things are probably going to go that way for XLM, right? But we can't bank on that. Damn it. We can't bank on that. And it's just off of Fibonacci's as well. Fibonacci's. But if you were to measure the price from the bottom range to the top, like I don't think that XRP. Let's see. So you're looking at a 34x for XLM. I don't think XRP has a 34x in it. It's more like a 20x. So if you're looking at price, that's one thing. But if you're just looking at ROI, XLM probably has a higher ROI. Did we finish spell? No. Automatic rally 002. Retracement 1 cent. Parabolic level 3.4 cents. He says, Dirk, please, good sir. It's on the list. RLB. I got you, bro. All right, let's continue. Oh, that's our time. All right, we're going to do... All right, we're going to do Jasmine, Audius, Dirk, and Cub Coin. And that is all that I can do. I have a video on Gala. I got to go. All right, Jasmine. We're going to do these quick. But I'll be on, I might be on later. I might live stream later. Automatic rally is 2 cents. Retracement for Jasmine is 9 cents. Parabolic level 48 cents. Audius. Automatic rally is 49 cents. Retracement $2. Parabolic level $10. Dirk. All right, we'll try. Oh, here we go. I'm up. We'll do a conservative pull. Retracement $23. 23 cents. Parabolic level $1.28. This hasn't had a proper bull run, so it could go higher. That's also a conservative pull. I'll give you an aggressive one. $2.20. $2 for Gala, good sir. $1 to $2. Cub Coin. Cub Coin. Or was you saying KuCoin? I don't see Cub Coin, bro. But hit me on the next one. All right, guys. You got a taste of what my Patreon is looking like, the type of stuff I'm putting out on there. A lot of banger evidence, and I have a full crypto course over there on how to trade, view the markets, all that stuff. Releasing videos weekly. You can get that for the price of a cup of coffee. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn, hustling, 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 hustling.